If you're looking for the perfect move-up home, then look no further. There is no better area to settle down and raise a family in. Welcome to 353 Golden Orchard Road. The custom gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and breakfast bar are perfect for the chef in the house. It also has 2 large pantries and extended cabinets. The large principal rooms are perfect for entertaining. The family room is great for cozy evenings together by the gas fireplace. The kids will love the playroom or turn it into your own personal media room. This lovely estate comes with 5 bedrooms and an office alongside 4 bathrooms. This beautiful 3,500 square foot home comes with a custom-built deck with fenced backyard. Don't delay. This could be your dream home.